welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all my top 10 CB2 dupes. I filmed a video just like this, but for restoration hardware. I wanna say like 3 or 4 months ago, and you all loved it. Basically, what we're gonna do in today's video is I'm gonna take you around our house and show you the things that we have from CB2. Now, I know CB2, she's a little pricey, she's a little on the expensive side, so I got you for each item that I'm gonna show you in my house that's from CB2, I'm gonna show you 2 dupes that are way more affordable. The first dupe is gonna be kind of like a step below CB2. It might still be a little bit kind of pricey depending on the budget, but she's not too bad. She's not CB2 level, but she's kind of in the middle. And then the second dupe is going to be even more inexpensive. So that's definitely gonna be the affordable option, the I got you girl option. Again, it's kind of hard because budget, price point, that's all very relative. So I tried my best. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm excited for this one. If you are too and you want to see all of my CB2 dupes, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so clearly we are in my living room, and the first furniture pieces that I want to show you from CB2 are these 2. Whoa, that was way off. I'm trying to look, literally looking through the camera and then actually in real life. Okay, so I want to show you all these 2 chairs. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna show you this one. It's a little bit more clear. I really, really love these chairs from CB2. I think they're beautiful. They're kind of like this iron frame with the white cushion. You see, very, very cute. However, these chairs are $500, which is kind of pricey considering like most of us are gonna want 2 of the chairs. So that's pretty pricey, but I feel like this is pretty much identical. I feel like it's the exact same chair. You have the white cushions that are fabric, but then you also have the iron frame of the actual chair, like the seat itself. I feel like this is a great option. It looks pretty much the exact same. The only difference is it is quite smaller than the CB2 chairs, but if you have a smaller area, girl, it don't even matter. Go for it. I will have these linked down below. But then I also found this dupe right here. I feel like this is a really great option because not only does it have the metal frame of the chair as well as the cushions on the seat, it also comes in varying colors. So if you wanted more of like a cognac color, I'm pretty sure it's $131, but if you wanted the black one, which I think the black with like the leather seat is beautiful, that one is $200. They are currently on sale now, so I would definitely pick these up if you're interested. So now we're moving on to the breakfast nook, and I wanted to find a dupe for this. It's technically a dining table, even though it's in our breakfast nook, but it is a dining room table. I love this so much. Of course, I will have this link down below, but honey, Miss Ma'am is $1,800, and I needed to find some dupes. So the first dupe that I found is actually a cement top table. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna have it here on the screen. It is around $800, so like half off, and I think it's a beautiful option. I really love the wooden legs on this one as well. Mine over here has more of like a steel legs, but I think the wooden one is really, really pretty. You know, I'm always trying to incorporate more like a warmer tone, so I feel like this is a great option. So that's dupe number 1. The second dupe is a very, very similar table with the cement top, but this actually has black legs. I think this one is really, really cool. I know for this CB2 table, one of the standout features are the legs because they're stainless steel and they're just kind of like a statement part of the table. So I really thought that these legs on here were also a statement part of this table. It's kind of got like the crisscross, they're black, they're very bold. I really like this. I think this is super cool as well. But then you guys, I found this third dupe option. I feel like it is honestly perfect. It kind of mixes the first dupe and the second dupe. It is only $396, which I feel like is perfect for a dining room table. Like, I just don't think you can beat that. It's beautiful. It has the cement top. It's got the black legs. Ignore my kitchen. You guys, I can't. Okay, here we go, here we go. We're good. We're hiding the mess. So basically, I just think this is really cool. I love the black legs on it. I love the cement top. I feel like this is a great option if you're working on a budget. Like, come on. Like, you could get like black chairs. You could even get like a centerpiece situation like I have. This is from HomeGoods. Girl, you can make it work and make it look very high end. I'm obsessed with this. gorgeous. Okay, you guys, so next up we are in my office and we're gonna be talking about these two chairs. Both of these chairs, obviously, I mean, they're the same chair. I don't know why I was gonna say that, but they are from CB2. They are $329, pretty pricey considering, again, most of us are buying two chairs. You're not really, I mean, you might have like one accent chair in like a certain area, but most of the time you're buying two, and that's pretty pricey. But the first dupe that I found is super cute. It comes in a bunch of different colors and I absolutely love it. So I will say that on these chairs, the CB2 ones, I love the fact that there is an arm, like it's an arm chair, which I think is a little bit more comfortable. But I really like these chairs as well, the dupe options, because it has the pleating detail. I love the gold legs. I think that's gorgeous. They come in so many different colors, so you can really pick the chairs that's gonna match your aesthetic of your home. But then you guys, I pretty much found a dupe for the dupe. It's only $93. This chair is a little bit smaller, so I will say that. But again, it has the pleating detail, a bunch of different colors. I just feel like you can't beat it, and I just think these chairs are so cute. Again, you could put this in your office, kind of like how I have, or maybe you even want to get like a bunch of them and put it with like a dining room table to give it kind of like a funky like vibe. I think would be really cool as well. Okay, you guys, we're coming back in the living room because you're not gonna believe what I found a dupe for. You're not gonna believe it. I found a dupe for the mantle mirror. You guys, if you've been following for a while, you know the struggle that this mirror has brought into my life. It is gorgeous, it is beautiful. It is, I think, like $350, something like that, but it arrived broken a couple times. I'm not even gonna go through the whole thing because if you've been following for a while, like, you get it. You get the frustration. But anyway, I found two incredible dupes for this mantle mirror. I'm so excited to share. The first one is half the price. It's like $170, I think, something like that. It looks the exact same, obviously, as you could tell. I have it here on the screen. I think it's beautiful. It's not as wide. Like, the sizing is definitely different on these, but if you just wanted something with like a similar shape and a similar look, I feel like you can't beat this. It looks awesome. Honestly, I was tempted to get this one and put on the other side, on the other mantle, like on the other side in the sunroom. I still might, but I think this is absolutely beautiful. Highly, highly recommend this one. And then dupe number two is only $70. It looks the exact same, you guys. Like, I can't get over how similar these mirrors look. I think they're absolutely beautiful. This one has more of like a thicker black frame around the mirror, but I still think it's beautiful. I think it would look great on a mantle. Again, the size is a lot smaller. I will say that. Like, it's definitely small, but if you have a smaller wall where your fireplace is on, maybe even like a smaller mantle in general, I feel like it could look really, really nice. You could even put like taller vases with like a tall branch kind of in the vase to make up for that negative space that you're gonna have if you get this one, because it is smaller. But you can make this work. It's the same idea. It's beautiful, and it's 70 bucks. So like, hello, yes. Okay, guys, so we are back in the office, and that is because I wanted to show you these curtains. I absolutely love them. They're from CB2, so you know what that means. They're a little bit too expensive. They're $100 per panel, and I have two right here. I also have two in Briella's room, so you do the math. I'm psycho, I'm crazy. They're velvet curtains. You don't need them from CB2, so I will have one option for velvet curtains. I think they're beautiful. I mean, they're white, they're cream, they're velvet. Of course they're gonna look good. These are $50, and then I will show you another dupe on the screen as well. But honestly, you guys, you don't have to get these. You don't have to get super expensive curtains at all. HomeGoods has tons of different options. TJ Maxx, Target, they all have incredible options for curtains. Like, you don't need to get the expensive things. You can still get the look for less. So as much as I love my curtains, I say go for the dupes on this one. Okay, so the next item from CB2 that I wanted to show you is actually something I don't own, but when I was in New York City and I went to the CB2 location, I saw this beautiful rug and I'm obsessed with it. I really want to get it, so it might be in a future video. So I was like, okay, let me just show it in this one because I might eventually own it. I think it's gorgeous. It's mainly a white, kind of like a ivory rug, and then it has black veining and like abstract lines throughout the rug, and I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's very plush, the high pile, and I think it's just so beautiful. But it's like $1,000. If you want to get like a larger size, like an 8x10, it's $1,000. And if you have a larger room with like a king size bed and you want this rug, honey, you're gonna be paying about $1,400. So I was like, okay, let's look for some dupes. Let's look for some alternatives. Okay, so this first rug, it doesn't look exactly like it, but it still gives you that same effect. So if you plan on putting a rug like this in your bedroom, the majority of the rug is gonna be covered because it's gonna be underneath your bed. So you can get away with something that looks like this, that looks similar and kind of has that black geometric line design on a white rug. This one is only $115. Like, hold on, okay, a 7x10 is $215. Like, I feel like you can't beat that. I say go for this one. Like, what's the difference really? I feel like expensive rugs are very, very overrated. I have an expensive rug here in the living room. It's filthy, it's disgusting, I regret it. Okay, you guys, but this one right here, this is my favorite. I feel like this rug looks awesome. I'm obsessed with this. You probably would not have guessed that I would be in love with this rug, or maybe you would, I don't know, but I love this. I feel like there's someone out there right now whose color scheme is like very like black and white contrasting with maybe like wooden accents or maybe just like glass accents, something like that. Very like Cruella de Vil, but in the best way possible. I'm obsessed with this. This rug, hold on, let me click on the size. Let's do it 8x10. Do you remember when I said that 8x10 at CB2 was $1,000? This 8x10 is $320 and it's beautiful. It's stunning and I love it. Like, I love it equally, if not more, than the CB2 one. So I highly recommend this one. Girl, I feel like I did good on this. I was really, really proud and I was really excited to show you all this rug because of the dupe that I found. I mean, I feel like I nailed it. Okay, you guys, so we are moving on now to the sunroom and I want to talk about this bench. I love this bench. I think it's absolutely beautiful, but honey, she's $1,900. Like she's pretty, she is, but you all know me by now. Sometimes I just get excited and I get like add to cart, checkout, click happy. So anyway, this is a beautiful bench. However, y'all know good and well you can find benches like this, like a cognac bench, like a cognac leather bench with like metal legs. You can find that so many different places. I'm gonna put two dupes up on the screen. This first one that I'm showing you here with the black legs and the tufted seating, it does look very traditional though. I will say, like, that's one thing about CB2, if you're kind of like contemplating it or maybe you've never shopped there before, their pieces are, it's like they're timeless pieces, but they also have a little bit of like quirkiness to it, a little bit of like, oh, that's different, like a different spin, a different twist to the furniture. So yes, this is just like a leather bench. However, it's the pleating, it's like the little lumbar pillows, it's the crisscrossing of the legs. Like, there's definitely detail. I don't want this to come off like I'm just like downing CB2 and like, ah, you don't need this stuff, because it is really, really nice. I mean, obviously, clearly, my whole house pretty much has like CB2 furniture all over it. And I will say that the dupe options do look more, like I said, traditional. We've seen benches like this before. I'll have the dupes here on the screen. Really inexpensive, very, very similar style. I feel like you can't go wrong either way. Like, it's just a beautiful bench. It's a really great way to add in some warmth. Okay, you guys, we are upstairs in my bedroom and I wanted to show you these two pieces right here because I found dupes for both of them and I'm really excited. So we'll just start with the entryway table right here. I love this. I think it's beautiful. It's kind of like this ivory, I don't even know what you would call this pattern. I'm pretty sure online they called it like an inlay bone, I don't know, something fancy. I think it's beautiful. However, I found some dupes. The first dupe that I'm gonna show you is $400 and I think it's beautiful. This next dupe that I found, I feel like this is perfect. If I were going to be buying another entryway table or like a new one, like let's say I wanted to replace this one, I would replace it with this one. I love the detail. It's kind of like a cutout detail underneath the tabletop. I don't know, I just think it's really, really cool. I'm just picturing like some gold accessories on the top of it. I think it's just beautiful. Like, I really love this. This is $3.99, so around that same price point as the first dupe, but I think it's really pretty. And then this last dupe, I think this one is around like $150, something like that. It's not the exact, I mean, it's not an exact dupe at all. Like, it doesn't look exactly like this one. However, the idea is the same. Okay, you guys, and we're actually gonna stick with this entryway section and find a dupe for the felt wall art. I'm gonna get closer so you can kind of see like what it actually is. I think it's beautiful. It's handmade. I'm obsessed with this, but not only is it from CB2, so it's pricey, it's actually sold out because it was limited edition. So I wanted to find some other alternatives anyway. This one right here on the screen is $250. I think it's beautiful. It's that same type of idea. It's like a fabric wall art. I think it's beautiful. I love the white. I love the different designs on it. Like, I just think this is really, really cool. I think think this would look great if you were putting it on a wall that was more of like a statement color. Like for some reason when I see this, I instantly think that this would look incredible in like a dark room. Like maybe you even have a room that you want to paint a bold color, like a really, really dark navy or like a super dark gray or even like a rich brown color. I feel like this wall art would look awesome. It would really pop because it's white and I'm obsessed with it. This is the second dupe option. It doesn't look the exact same, but remember, sometimes a dupe can kind of give you that same vibe, that same idea. It comes in a set of 2. I think it looks awesome and I really love these. Okay, you guys, so next up we are in my closet. That's gonna bother me. Okay. We're in my closet and I wanted to show you this mirror. This mirror right here is $400 from CB2. Obviously that's what this whole video is about. And I found pretty much an exact dupe for $300. So the first dupe is obviously just a step below. So we're saving $100, but still $100 saved is $100 earned, right? So this one looks the exact same. It has a black rim around it, which I think is really, really pretty and would be nice. It's pretty much the exact same mirrors, like the exact same size. It's just $100 cheaper and I really, really like this. And then dupe number 2, I love this one. I really like it because it can stand alone. It doesn't have to lean up against a wall, but I really like this. It's a gold rimmed mirror, very similar to the one that I have in this closet. It is a lot smaller, I will say that, but if you just wanted the same look, like a gold, like thin rimmed mirror, something rectangular and a little bit taller and slimmer, I feel like this is a great option as well. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it. Those are all of my CB2 items that I have in the house, as well as a bunch of different dupes for each item. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna compile everything that I shared as far as like the CB2 dupes and put them together in a blog post. That way it's just easier for you all to shop. Of course, I'm gonna have them linked in the description box. So either way, if it's easier for you to shop in the description box or the blog post, everything will be in the description box. I've just been having so much fun creating blog posts that I wanted to do a CB2 one. So yeah, I really hope this was helpful. If this helped you out in any way, if it gave you any type of inspiration, please let me know in the comments. If you want me to continue doing videos like this, let me know which store I should hit up next. And yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my CB2 dupes, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.